In OBS Studio, the first thing you want to do is open Settings. Go to the top menu, click File, then select Settings. From the left side, click Output and open the Recording section. Now set Output Mode to Advanced, then scroll down until you see Audio Track. If you only need your desktop audio, select one track. But if you want to record desktop audio plus another audio source, like your microphone or game audio, then select 2 tracks. You can select even more tracks if you're recording multiple audio devices. Once you've picked your tracks, click Apply, then OK. Next, look at the Audio Mixer panel. Click the 3 dots next to one of the audio sources, then choose Advanced Audio Properties. Here, you'll see all audio devices and which tracks they're assigned to. For desktop audio, enable Track 1. If you're recording a second source, like your microphone, assign it to a different track. Example, turn off Track 1 for the mic and enable Track 2 instead. Now close the window and make sure the audio sliders for the sources you want are up, not muted. Finally, hit Start Recording, and you're done. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.